Welcome to study room. Here we have taken a different subject, that is maths, and here we are trying to give you solution to solve the tables up to 99 without using calculator. Friends, we are aware of tables up to 1 to 10. Almost everybody can remember the table up to 10. But when we are going beyond 10th table, we will be having problem. It is common for everybody. But here there is an easy solution to write a table up to 99th, that is 2 digit. Here let us see how we can write a table. Now I have taken an example of table of 36th. So 36 having 2 digit 3 and 6. So we are well aware of a table of 3 and 6. So first we have to note down the table of 3 and 6. Once you have noted the table of 3 and 6, then as given in the third column, you have to add the digit of first column and first digit of second column. I will repeat, digit of first column and first digit of second column you have to add. After that we have to just place the second digit of the second column besides the result what we get in the third column. For example, 03 plus 0 is 3, isn't it? Just beside 3 we are placing the second number, that is 6, so it becomes 36. Similarly, when we go for 06 plus 1, that's the first one. 06 plus 1 is 7. Then we add 2. It is not adding, we are just putting next to 7. So that is 7 plus 2, 72. Similarly, when we are going for third that row, that is 09 plus 1 is 10. So 10 as it is we are writing, and 8 we are as it is writing after 10. So it becomes 108. So 3 into 36 becomes 108. Next, so 3 fours are 12. So 12 we have taken. Then 4 6 are 24. So that also we have taken here. So 12 plus 2, 14. Then take 4 as it is. That is 14 plus 4 is 144. So like this, you just very easily you can write the table up to any table. For example, let us take the table of 94. What we have to do? First write the 9 table and 4 table. Then 09 plus 0 is 9. Then 4 is there as it is, you take it, then it becomes 94. So this is the first 1 into 94. Then 9 into 2, 18. 4 into 2, 8. So 18 plus 0, it becomes 18 only. Then 8 take as it is, then 188. Similarly, we can do up to any table. So I think we have made it very clear. So how to write a table up to 99? Okay. So now let us see how to calculate multiplication. Here, using the same method, we adopted a multiplication of 35 into 28. So if it is easy, you can practice. So many people may be finding it difficult. So that is why I'm doing this video. If you are finding this method easy, you can follow. So what we have done, see here, in the second and third, we have written table of 3 and 5 separately. Then I have taken only two position, that is 2 and 8th positions. So 2 into 3 is 6. So 2 into 5 is 10. Similarly, 8 into 3 is 24. 8 into 5 is 40. So we have taken these. Then see here, 6 plus 1 is 7. Take 0 as it is, 70. Then 24 plus 4 is 28. Then take 0 as it is, 280. But one thing you have to remember while adding. So here this 70 I have taken one place before this, that is 280. This uh, 70 is exactly straight to 28, one place before this. So this position you have to clearly note. So when you add this, it will come 980. So 35 into 28 is 980. If you have a doubt, you can go for a calculator. So how we have done is, I will repeat. So written a 3 tables separately, 5 tables separately. For what? For second position and 8th position, because it is 28. So when you have written like this, it will become very easy for you. So after this, you can add the value. Similarly, we have done for 98 into 97. So 98 means 9 table and 8 table. So 9 and 7 means 9th position and 7th position. We have to note down. So here, similarly, 9 into 9, 81, and 9 into 8, 72. So 81 plus 7 is 88, and 2 as it is we have taken. Then 7 into 9 is 63, and 7 into 8 is 56. So 63 plus 5 is 68. Then 6 as it is we have taken. Okay, so that is done. But now while adding, you all should always remember the first digit goes one step left side. Then second is one thing is in right side, that is, see here, 6, nothing above 6. So when we are writing 686 and 88882, we should be very careful. Only if you just remember this how we have to write, then it will be easy. When you add this, it will become 9606. So I think this method is very easy for people um, who's finding difficult in the method which they are taught in a school. Okay. Anyhow, for this also you require a practice. Without practice, nothing is possible. Okay. Let us see some more. Friends, now we are going for a 3-digit calculations. How we can do a 3-digit calculation? It is again write tables of 2, 9, 6. So we have taken 2, 9, 6 table. Which position we have to check? For third position. So 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 9 is 27. 3 into 6 is 18. So note down this. Then when you are adding this, so um, 06 plus 2 is 8. So take 8 as it is. Then here 7 plus 1 is 8. Take 8. Then last digit take as it is. So it becomes 888. Check the answer and you will find it is really magic. Then when we are calculating 3 digit into 3 digit, again very easy, don't panic. So 296, so write the table of 296. So I have taken, then which position? Third, fifth, ninth. So take as it is. Now as we saw in the first case, so we have to add. So 3 into 296, you are very familiar. So how to add? So what it will be result? It is 888. Similarly, do it for the 5 and 9. Once you have done for 5 and 9, so the figures will be available here. But what we have to remember, to just while adding, you must remember that this should be written in the same form which I have written. If you are writing in the wrong form, then it cannot come. So how we have written? Just 888, and when we write 1480, this goes one step right side. Then below that 2664, again it goes one step right side. So it is not just above one and the same. So when you add this, so it gives you 1,62,064. Then you can use calculator to calculate 296 into 359. It will give exact figure. So again and again I am telling, so this is very easy if you practice. So just practice if you are not able to follow the regular method. Friends, please share this video beyond our postal network. I am planning to release similar videos in the general knowledge segment, mainly helpful for the student community who prepares for various exams. It may be higher primary and above children's. It may not be suitable for primary children's. So please share with other friends. Let everybody enjoy the benefit of study room. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please visit our Google web page, that is https://sites.google.com/view/studyroom-master. You can get lot of updates about study room activities there, and you have model question papers which you can evaluate yourself. Thanks for watching once again.